I have never been so excited for a little bit of rain. We had about 10 minutes of rain, but she does look a bit angry. Anyway, look, this section is up to height. So what I did yesterday, I did want to go home, but I thought it. Guess who I've got back as well? Cam's in the house. I got a slab there and a slab there. So what I'm going to do is all these slabs are all different sizes. So they're quite even, like the width of them is perfect. But what I've done is just set up a line, literally halfway on the slab. And then when I lay them, I can just obviously butt it up to it. But look at her, she's looking good. Got to give that a little final brush up, that bit there. But it's all settling well. So today, the aim of the game is from there to there, get them tops in, baby. Absolutely love it. And then we're going to fill a skip. Beautiful. Go away, son. Go away. So what we're going to do, Cam?
We're going to crack on, mate.
And we're going to what? Should we do a time lapse, mate? You got to say, run the time lapse, mate.
Run the time lapse.
Run the time lapse, mate.
Mate.
Oh, baby, have we been busy? Look, the tops are on. I will show you later. It's just supposed to be another hot day today, so I've literally double hessianed and, yeah, wrapped her up, basically. But look at this, eh? Don't know why I didn't video. It was another boomer of a day. Today's supposed to hit about 27, 28. But as you can see, we got this in. I've done another hedgehog hole. So, yeah, connecting onto this one. This one's a bit tricky, because we are connecting onto that wonky and very thin wall. So it's nice and thick until about there, and then it just blends in. But yeah, this is just operation go, go, go. Got these couple of courses in this morning. So yeah, I'm just going to literally crack on and I want to try and get up, you know what I mean, at least 2/3 today. I don't know what the time is now. It's about 10 o'clock. Nice early starts, but realistically, get that up to there. Tomorrow, then get up to top height. Then for the rest of the day, hopefully finish off digging out and filling up another skip. And then, yeah, next day we'll get the tops on, because I want to let it go off, because these tops are absolutely solid. They were a right treat. Me and Cam cracked on, I tell you. Fair play, like I say, because they are thick tops. But no, she's looking really well. It's all curing up, absolutely lovely jubbly. It is just absolutely beautiful. But have a look, yeah, look how thick the tops are. They are proper thick. But yeah, like I say, it's gonna crack on with that end. But now look, the Great Wall of Josh is nearly there. You know what I mean? Oh, this one's been such a journey, I tell you. I can't even think of words to explain it really. But anyway, let's stop waffling and let's crack on with this little baby. Babe, love my t-shirt, please. All right, bye.
Bed for the day.
yes. Oh, look at her. Oh, yeah. I just spent a bit of time getting rid of that massive pile of debris, whatever you want to call it, bush. Not too bad, actually. Bit cut up, though. I'm a bit cut up on the old arm, but you know what? We love a bit of fauna. There's no, I don't know what I'm saying here. I'm tired. So anyway, that wall is up to height. I've just given it a little scratch back. It's still quite wet, so I'll let that go off, I don't know, half a day or something, and then tamper time. So anyway, without further ado, let's, from there to there, let's bang these tops on. Once these tops are on, I'm going to be so happy. And then I can go around and just do some extra pointing, basically, on the connecting walls. But no, look at her. She's lovely. Oh, so nice to see this gone. Still needs raking up and that, but yeah, once I get them top. Also, there is a little bit of like a, I don't know. I knew it was going to come down a little bit. But yeah, I think it looks worse when the tops aren't on, but a bit of pointing around there to do as well. So anyway, yeah, so today's just a bit of like, get them tops on. Then that wall is done. All the little bits of pointing, there's a little bit on that wall as well on the other side. And then, yeah, move all the stone down. There's not actually a lot left, which I'm very surprised at, because we've obviously reduced the height of this wall and I was expecting quite a lot of stone, but what is left is just small stuff. Look at my camera stand. I think it's about time I get a new one, isn't it? Look at that. She's done well. She is, look at that, straight up. Morning glory. Anyway, let's crack on. Right, tops are on. Now it's my favourite time, clean up time. Thank God it's done. Boom. She is up. Oh my days. I quickly jumped the other side to show you. But like I said, I've got to run to a meeting, so I can't be too long. But everything's landscaped up. What I'll do, I'll let this settle down for a little bit, come back and then rake all the stones out. But look at her. I'm happy with her. Literally, them tops. I know I didn't video much, but I had to do cuts, everything, because where the wall collapsed, we were so lucky to get the tops, I tell you. Anyway, let's jump the other side quickly. I'll show you that. Oh, here's this side. What a little treat. Oh, like I say, it was just, the clear up was absolutely mad. But you know what? I'm happy with her. She's pretty good. Love the colour. Absolutely. It's like a giraffe. But the only problem I did have was with these tops. And I didn't video anything on tops, like I said a minute ago, but it literally was an absolute pickle. But apparently there was loads of gaps. So I think we've done well. We have got one or two little gaps, but what I've done is just mortared it. It will weather up anyway. It's what the customer wants. So as long as they're happy, I'm happy. But anyway, I do need to run to a meeting. I'll get loads of photos and that and whack them on the end.